Welcome to our channel. If you're looking for student ambassador codes that unlock free trials and exclusive discounts, follow these step-by-step instructions to find these valuable resources. Step 1. Search for brand name student ambassador program on Google to find official ambassador programs that offer promotional codes to share with other students. Step 2. Visit your university's student organization page or student union website, where campus ambassadors often post codes and promotional links for various services. Step 3. Join student-focused Facebook groups, Discord servers, or WhatsApp groups for your university, where ambassadors frequently share their exclusive codes and trial offers. Step 4. Check Instagram by searching hashtags like #student ambassador, #campus ambassador, or #student discount combined with specific brand names to find students posting their codes. Step 5. Follow brand ambassador accounts on social media platforms, as ambassadors are typically encouraged to share their promotional codes publicly to reach more students. Step 6. Visit Reddit communities such as r/student discounts, or university-specific subreddits where students share ambassador codes and limited-time trial opportunities. Step 7. Check your university email for messages from student ambassadors or campus representatives who send out codes for free trials as part of their promotional activities. Step 8. Attend university events, club meetings, or student fairs where brand ambassadors often distribute physical or digital codes to attendees who show interest in their products or services. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.